Hi everyone, this is a little video I'm diarising just to show you a little project I'm working on. So the idea is, well, I saw it off somebody else on YouTube actually, thought I'd see if I could give it a go myself. The idea is to try and drive a remote control car, an RC car, using a Raspberry Pi and the gyros from my phone to be able to control the car instead of a remote control. Hopefully later, after that, I'll actually see if I can stream video back from the car back to my phone so that I don't actually have to be in front of the car to control it. So what I've got here is Raspberry Pi using, I don't know if you can see that very well, just trying to focus on there. So I've got a little wireless dongle to connect to my network, and this little module, additional module here, which is a servo controller which I've sourced online, and I'm basically connecting the servos from the RC car to the board, to the Pi, via the ESC, and then I'm using the battery to power the servos rather than the Pi itself. And then at the moment I'm just taking power from my laptop, but the actual Pi is connected to my wireless network, so I've compiled a driver for the Pi to connect to the network. And then over here on my laptop I'm using putty to SSH into the Pi basically. So I'm using command shell serial commands at the moment to play with the car, and the idea is that there's a little test that I can do, which seems to have worked quite well. I'm just going to show you here now, to basically test the full extremes of the servos, and hopefully we should be able to drive the the car with this. So here we go. I'm just going to set this guy off running, and okay, there you go. So phase 1 seems to be pretty good. Phase 2 is basically writing the software. I'm going to use JavaScript and Ajax to a little PHP file to down to the Pi, act the Pi as a web server, and then cat the PHP values from the gyro to the car. Haven't quite worked all that bit out yet. I've got quite a bit done. So hopefully by the next video I'll have the Pi sorted as a web server, the software loaded on the Pi, and an attempt at trying to drive the car from it. Okay, thanks.